And we go into edit mode again, and you have this hand which is grabbing things, you know. And then you can put an object which is control 1 if you want to learn the key codes. Object, and this object is called metro. Metro, and it gets, if you click enter, it gets this inputs and outputs. Okay? And then you need another object which is a bang, you know, bang, bang. And this is exactly just like this. It's like a small switch, yeah? Like a small switch, and then you connect the output of the desk and hand changing to a circle here. If I find the right point, and I connect it to the first inlet. I forgot something. Behind the metro you make a 500. It's again in milliseconds, 500 milliseconds. And I'll show you what it does. I copy this. I have another thing here. No.
And you have to duplicate it.
Duplicate it. Or you can make a new bank. And if I click here, I again connect from here to the input of this bank. Now I leave the edit mode and I click here. You see this is blinking. Okay. And what I want to do is just go to edit mode and I connect this to my, and now
can you make it louder? It's already connected to mine.
Ah, okay. Ah. And now he's beeping. This way you can automate things. One line.